Need to analyze Jira work item history in Excel? With Issue History for Jira app, you can export any generated work item history report to Excel or CSV in just a few clicks. Share reports, build dashboards, or continue your analysis in Excel. Need even deeper insights? Advanced Excel Export automatically generates 4 analytical reports. Field Changes Duration Report automatically calculates the time between selected field changes, helping you identify workflow delays and measure process efficiency. Field Changes Total Count Report shows how many times selected fields were updated, making it easy to spot excessive changes, rework, and process bottlenecks. Time and Field Values calculates how long each work item stayed in every selected field value, helping you analyze cycle times and optimize your workflow. Count of Field Values report shows how many work items were in each selected field value, giving you a clear overview of workload distribution and process trends. Export your Jira work item history, uncover valuable insights, and make data-driven decisions with Issue History for Jira app.